close-up kissing video, and I'd never done that before because, well, it's kind of awkward, I think. It's nothing wrong with it, but I never done it before, and well, since I want to make everyone happy, I thought that I'd give it a little try. First I was going to kind of do a Gomez Adams video, but then I thought, what the heck, let's do a real kissing video. So this one goes out for a special viewer, and yeah, bear with me. I've never done this before, but I know personally that I like kissing sounds. That's why I sometimes look at Layla Love's videos, but also Alien. I'm sorry if I'm a little bit red around the mouth. I just shaved, and I didn't have anything to, conceal it or anything. I will try to make some other kissing sound by kissing skin. I just wanted to say that this video ain't gonna be overly long because I have no clue how this will be received. But for those of you who like this kind of videos, tell me in the comment section, and I can do a longer one. Problem is I don't have a binaural microphone, so even if I do like this, the sounds will be coming from the same side. But I will get the binaural microphone, or at least something better than this as time goes by. Because